Detox diet, juice fasting recipes. Juice fasting is gaining popularity as a great way to detoxify. Many people are interested in getting toxins out of their system so they can live a healthier life. When toxins accumulate in the body, they feel sluggish and also have a poor immune system. Juice fasting, as a cleansing method, can help to people to achieve better health and more energy. It is quite easy to do as fruits are readily obtainable and all that is required additionally is a juicer. For a beginner to juice fasting, it is important to start out slow and to try it out for one day. By juice fasting, you are limiting your intake to juices only. Fruit juice is high in sugar, so if you are a diabetic or otherwise in need of monitoring your sugar intake, you should be cautious of trying a juice fast with fruit juices. Anyone just starting out with fasting should always speak with their doctor first. Also, do not juice fast for prolonged periods like more than 3 days, not unless your doctor agrees that it is safe for you to do so. The following are sample recipes that can help give you an idea of combinations of fruits and vegetables to use together. Recipe 1, Vegetable Juice Combo: 2 Swiss chard leaves, 1/2 beetroot, 2 or 3 sprigs of watercress, 3 carrots, 1 celery stalk. Wash with filtered or distilled water, cut and put in juicer. Recipe 2, Carrot Apple Juice: 2 to 3 green apples, 1 carrot, fresh basil leaves. Wash with filtered or distilled water, cut and put in juicer. Recipe 3, Carrot Vegetable Juice: a handful of dandelion leaves, 1 kale leaf, 4 carrots, fresh mint, basil or coriander leaves. Wash with filtered or distilled water, cut and put in juicer. Recipe 4, Peach Juice: 2 or 3 peaches. Wash with filtered or distilled water, cut and put in juicer. There are many different types of juice fasts. Some diets call for fruit juices while others used less sugary vegetable juices. You can always come up with your own unique combination of fruit and vegetable juice diet recipes.